makes sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak.
Hi guys, welcome to Lucky Land TV. We got the ribeye steak. I made that. We got the cornbread. Lucky made that. We got eggplant. I made that. But my girlfriend made the rice because I don't know how to make it. Pull up on me! Oh, I went to the grocery store and I ain't getting no cilantro. Damn. Y'all, I'm slipping on my pimping out here. I'm getting my shit together. I'm gonna get some cilantro. Yeah. How you say this rice? That's Baslamic rice. Baslami rice. I call it Arabic rice. It's good. That's that rice. Get all the bite of this eggplant. It's good with the protein. Cause nobody fuck with me on the cornbread. You hear me? And the cornbread be so good. I want to bite. I know everybody got their everyday life. And my editor gonna see this because she added my stuff. But you slipping on your pimping. If you got time to pop out, ain't no excuse about everyday life real shit, G, for real. Because it's somebody that got it worse than me and you. Give me a water, please. Because I just watered that down wrong. But yeah, for real though. It's all love though, but come on now. I'm on for it. This is it. Pull up on me. Y'all mail me some cilantro. We can both get a P.O. box outside another motherfucking city. And pull up on me. And mail me some cilantro. Put some ice packs in there, some ice. I don't care what you do. Mail me some cilantro. Baby, I need your love. Oh, your loving. Oh, okay, best friend. Y'all talking. Bitch, you could have texted that. You got me. Hello. I know it's kind of late. What time is it, baby? It's about 12, so. Damn. It's 12:26 a.m. Chicago time. You gotta have that Pearl Aqua spring water. This water is PLU 98. What that means is it's good taste water. It's no fluoride, whatever it's called. There's none of that in there. Like the ice mountain and all that purified water and all that alkaline water, they say it's that, but it ain't. Yeah, her live. Been still and spring water, Dr. Sabi said. And the dude with the dreads that be all on TikTok and he was on 85 Trap. Shout out to my boys. I had a dream about that, right? Just this border. I seen them and they remember me from when I went to the 85 South show back in 2023, November summer, 2022 in November. I was meant to put a number in my phone. I thought he was playing, but it wasn't the 85 South show. It's like an event. They was just selling their merch and shit. And so he put his number in my phone the whole time. Folks was liking on Dyke. So I called my girl like, yeah, Carlos Miller. But I seen Chico, Carlos Miller. I said, yeah, Carlos Miller gave me his number. So I'm ignorant, being a stud. I was at the bathroom. It was people in out of there outside of them. They was like regular using a public bathroom, no security and none of that shit. So I waited and I had like 3 shirts and like 2 pairs of little joggers. I was waiting on them so they can. So the first autograph I got was Carlos Miller. Then the second one was DC. And then it was Chico Beans. But Carlos signed at the navy blue shirt. So I just stuck with that. And he the one gave me a permanent marker even for him to sign it. Chico was the last one to come out the bathroom. So, but go back a little bit. Chico and them already told me, like, once they all came out of the bathroom, they were like, wait right here, because they were showing some type of fucking video. It was like another event plus on top of them selling their merch event and other stuff too. And so he was like, let's stay right here. When we finish what we're doing in the back, we gonna smoke, we gonna chill. I'm all right, bet. I don't call my girl. I'm like, I wasn't sounding like no groupie or nothing. I'm like, yeah, baby, guess who just gave me their number? She, who? I'm like, Carlos Mills. I think he like Dyke. Whole time I be trying to auction her off. She auctioned me off that Dyke. But I'm on there waiting on these niggas to come back and get me. But they had answered the phone though when I called. Cause I'm like, yeah, Carlos Miller gave me his number. He told me to wait in the lobby where they showing this video at. They all, yeah, we ain't forgot about you. Woo, you the girl who was at the 85 South show in Chicago and we just signed your shirts. Yeah. They don't trip, we gonna come get you. Woo woo. So all y'all know is my mouth was dry as hell in that journey. My mouth was dry as hell. So I started drinking water out the water fountain. Mouth still was dry. So my cousin Tonton ended up calling. And I figured why my mouth was dry in the dream. Because I was asleep with my mouth cocked open. Mouth was cocked open in real life. I woke up thirsty as hell, mouth dry as hell, just like the dream. I kind of was glad cuz woke me up. My shit was dry, G. I wonder why I'm drinking water in a dream. My shit still dry. My mouth must have been hanging. Open. For I'm telling you. Best friend had me up to like 4, 5 in the morning watching Spartacus on Stars. And then I went to sleep. It's about 9:30. Woke up, made my girl some eggs with some cheese. That's all she said. She wanted some scrambled eggs. And I was up till she made it to work. And then I went to sleep around like 11 something. Gee, I woke up at like probably like 2:33. Work on the grocery store. But my mouth was dry in real life. Wonder why in a dream my shit was still dry. Like, it was worse than cotton mouth dry. I said, God damn. Anywho, pull up on me! And don't forget the cilantro. And don't forget to pull up back on me. Thanks for all those supporters, new supporters. You know, I'm going to say that every time, show my gratitude. But if you haven't seen Spartacus, watch it. It's like 4 seasons. It's good. It's like gladiators fighting. Some of them were slaves. Some of them was there being slaves paying off of gamble debts. And you just got to watch it. It's good. It's good. Especially after the first episode. But, yeah, that shit was quiet. I said, yeah. Most happened to open these doors up. And I ain't gonna cop. A motherfucker told me I'm stealing from somebody. You know how some people had a YouTube emoji with their name, they TikTok with their name, they IG with their name, they Cash App with their name. That's not stealing nothing when everybody do it, gang. That's not stealing, folks. That's just getting ideas to make my shit better for y'all to click that like, comments, and subscribe button and that share button. Gee, I'm trying to make my shit look professional. So when I see shit, I'm like, okay, everybody do that. Everybody got an intro. Everybody got what you call them with them shots? Everybody got thumbnails. That's not stealing from nobody or trying to be like nobody. Like, be fucking real. But anywho, yeah, you know, I'm always tell the truth. And some people just can't take constructive criticism at all. Like, like, stop playing. But if y'all not too high, if y'all want to help my editor or want to fuck with me and edit my shit, email me at pearlscharm25@gmail.com and tell me you from YouTube. So it's P as in Paul, E as in elephant, A as in apple, R as in Ricky, L as in Larry, S as in snake, C as in charm, H as in Henry, A as in apple, R as in Ricky, M as in Mike, 25@gmail.com, G. Cause and then if I'm paying you, G, do my stuff how I ask. Now, if you got better ideas or be like, no, you should do it this way and then look good, of course I'ma listen. I'm gonna listen. But if I'm telling you I don't like it, like, you can't go back and forth with me or cut me off and talk over me, G. That shit rude. That ain't it. That ain't the groove. That ain't the groove at all. But yeah. So y'all ain't, and I'm willing to pay y'all every Friday. So email me at that email. Tell me you from YouTube. Tell me your price. I even had a motherfucker tell me that I shouldn't get a watermark until I get a certain amount of subscribers. If y'all disagree, put it in the comments, because I don't think that matter if you got subscribers or not. The more your shit look professional and better, lightning, backdrop and all that, mic, good clearing, They don't give a fuck if you got 300. That's what's gonna build your subscribers. And it only sound like hating shit to me, G. And yes, my editors is gonna hear this because she edits my videos. But like I said, I'm a very understanding person. But if you got time to do other shit, bullshit, go out, drink, smoke, do coke, whatever it is you do. Ain't no excuse on real world, real life shit. There's no excuse, man. Because, like I say, somebody got it worse than me, you, the editor, etc. Whoever. For real, for real. Like, I'm only spitting real shit, G. And if you fuck with what I'm saying, drop that 100. But if you want to be my editor, make me thumbnails, put the YouTube emoji with my name, put my TikTok with my name, put my IG with my name, put my Cash App with my name, and my watermark and thumbnails, let me know. What's your price when you email me, G? I love all, but time waits for nobody, G. And email me. Email me if y'all fuck with me. Email me. Tell me ideas. I'm willing to listen, especially if you advance. And just because you got more subscribers than me, that don't mean you know more than me. You might do, you might not. But if your videos ain't looking like chaotic, motherfucking be lovely and all that, like I'm trying to be like Lips. I'm trying to fast picture wise, edit. I'm trying to be up there. Like you gotta take constructive criticism sometimes, especially if a motherfucker paying you. You got to listen. If I say it's too big, which on that last meatball video, and it's to the left, in the middle, across. No, you should have put it a decent size at the left top or the right top, or even on this side, so out of the way of the plate and shit. Like you. I'm not. I promised myself in 2021, 2022, I wasn't gonna hold my tongue, G, and that's not what I'm gonna do. So if y'all serious, email me. Um, tell me y'all price. I pay y'all every Friday for 3 full videos and 3 shorts. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I don't want no watermark and how I explain with the YouTube emoji, TikTok emoji, Cash App emoji, Instagram emoji. I only want that and with my names and my Cash App names next to the emojis. I only I only want it on my 3 full videos, not my shorts. I'm not asking for too much. Only Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays before 7 p.m. I'm a very mellow, laid back, reasonable person. So let me know. Pull up on me and send me them emails.